How to easily link action button to a app. Need to make your action button open an app instantly? Here's how to do it the right way. First, open the platform or builder where you're creating your action button. This could be a website builder like a mobile app editor or an ad manager like Zeely, Canva, or Glide. Find your action button element and click on it to open its settings or properties. Now look for the option labeled link or click action or simply on press on some platforms. Now here you want to choose open app or deep link depending on what the platform calls it. To link directly to an app, you'll need the app's deep link URL or intent scheme. For example, to open WhatsApp, there's this address: whatsapp //send phone, then equals, and then the phone number. Paste this into the link field if you're targeting iOS and Android. Make sure the deep link works for both systems, or provide fallback options like App Store links. Now test the button. On click, it should launch the desired app or prompt the user to open or install it. And that's it. You've now successfully linked your action button to an app in just a few taps. Thanks for watching.